Hello, it's Sunday, February 18th, 2018, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX.com's Trading Support Center. This is your Week in Review. Today, we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The Euro-US dollar fell by 0.80%, closing at $1.2406. The British pound US dollar increased by 0.08%, closing the week at a 1.4026 pound exchange rate. The S&P 500 rose again on Friday, showing its largest weekly increase in 5 years. A 4.3% gain for the week was its biggest weekly advance since January 2013. This sparked a market correction, calming inflation concerns that raised fears that a 9-year bull market had ended. At the close of the stock market on Friday, investors were less worried as data on consumer prices and retail sales showed that the stock market is set towards an upward trajectory. Gold rose by 0.07% as of last week's market close, closing in at $1,356.20. Crude oil rose by 0.34%, closing at $61.68 a barrel. The 2018 Italian general election will be held on March 4, 2018. Voters will elect 630 members of the Chamber of Deputies and the 315 elective members of the Senate of the Republic for the 18th legislature of the Republic of Italy. Polls published on Friday show that Silvio Berlusconi's right-wing coalition is leading the electoral race. Berlusconi, who launched a center-right alliance in 2007, is predicted to get 36% of the vote. The Democratic Party is close behind at around 28%. Forza Italia is predicted to get 16.8% of the vote. The anti-immigration Northern League is estimated to receive 13.2%, and the far-right Fratelli d'Italia 4.7%. The Dow Jones ended the week with an increase of 0.08%, closing at a value of 25,219.38. The S&P 500 rose by 0.04%, closing at a value of 2,732.22. And lastly, the Nasdaq decreased by 0.23%, ending the week at a value point of 7,239.47. That's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal trading consultant is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.